given the LCM of 12x and x is 36. So we have 36 is multiple of 12 and x is 36 is multiple of x. Okay, so from here, okay, it say that 36 is the LCM of 12 and x. That means 36 is the multiple of 12. 36 is x. So from this information, I can say that x is factor of 36. So the factor of 36, 1, 36, 36, 2 times 18, 36, 3 times 12, 36, 6 times 6, 36. So, and so all of these, some of these can be the answer for x, and then they can form the uh, LCM that is 36. And but the question say x is greater than 12 and less than 36. So the answer is 18. So 12 and 18, I want to find their LCM. So I divide by 2, 6, and then 9, and divide by 3, 2 and 3, and I divide by 2, 1, and then 3, and divide by 3, 1, 1. So the LCM is 2 times 3 times 2 times 3 is 36. So the answer is 18. Okay, so the value of x is 18. Okay, so we discuss question C first. There are three lights to turn on every 3 seconds, 5 seconds, 6 seconds. So turn on simultaneously, that is turn on at the same time lah. Dihidupkan serentak. Okay, for the first time. When will be the next time? Second time. The three lights are turned on simultaneously. So this type of question is actually question for LCM. So I try to find the LCM for 3, 5, and 6. I divide by 2, 1, no, 3, and 3, 5, and divide by 3, 1, 1, and 5. I divide by 5, 1, 1, 1. So the LCM is equal to 2 times 3 times 5. Okay, so it's 30. So for the next 30 seconds, the three light will turn on simultaneously. So we know that the multiple of 3 got 30, and then 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 6, 12, 18, 24, 19. Okay, so 30. Okay. The two consecutive multiple of the number x and y plus 3 are 30 and 6, 1. Okay, what is the LCM of the two number if the difference between x and y is 7? Okay, so we know that 30 is 1 times 30, 30, 2 times 15, and then 3 times 10, and 5 times, and this is 6y, and then the y is actually integer. We assume x, no, must be integer lah. Not integer, then we cannot do this kind of question. So the y can be 6 or 30. Okay, no, the LCM is 30 or 6. Okay, if the LCM is the two consecutive common multiple, the common multiple will be 30 and then multiple of 30, or multiple of 6. That means 30 and 36. So the 6y is 36, and the 6y is 36. Y equal to 36 divided by 6. Then I got 6. Okay. But if my y is 6 and the x difference between x and y is 7. So x equal to 6 plus 7, 13. 13 is not multiple of not the factor of 30. So this cannot. So 6 equal to 6 minus 7 minus 1. This one also cannot. So we means that it can be 30. Then the next one is 60. So 60 is equal to 6y, then y equal to 60 over 6, 10. So I have y equal to 10, then x equal to 10 minus 7, or x equal to 10 plus 7. 10 plus 7, 17 cannot. So this will be 3. So x equal to 3. So I have the x is 3 and y is 10, and they want to find the LCM of that two number. That two number is x, that is 3, y plus 5 is 10 plus 5, 15. So 3 and 15, we find the LCM of 3 and 15. Divide by 3, 1, then 5, and I have 5, 1, 1. So the LCM is equal to 3 times 5 is equal to 15. So 15 is the answer provided by the book. Okay, uh, but 15 is actually not the answer. Why? Because it says that two consecutive uh, common multiple mah, then will be 15, 30, 45, 60. So 6y should be 45, not 15. So actually, I can get the answer provided by the exercise, but actually this question have no solution. Okay, because the common multiple are 15, 30, 45, and 60. Okay, not 30, 60, because we assume it's 66 1. So no solution. Okay, this question no solution.